What's going on, guys? It's Connor from M Creek Renovations, and today I'm framing out a staircase behind me up in the ceiling, just doing a rough opening. I have HVAC guys coming in next week during our house renovations, and they're going to be working up there installing the actual HVAC system. So before that, we have to get some things started. So let's go ahead and frame this out. The rough opening measurements I'm using to frame out this pull-down attic steps is 22.5 wide by 54 inches long. If you're following along with me, make sure you take into account the width of the headers going in on each end of the opening. So if I'm aiming for a 54-inch rough opening length, I really need to cut it at 60 inches to account for the 3-inch header width on each end. Right here is where I run into a bit of an issue with the ceiling rafters not lining up. Once I installed the header on each end, one rafter just wouldn't sit flush and was raised about an inch. So I ran to the truck and threw a ratchet strap on to pull it down to the correct height, and quickly shot it with framing nails to keep it in place. When adding the headers to the opening, the most important thing is to check if your framing is square into the ceiling rafters. If not, it will make your job a lot harder when you go to add the pull down stairs and aligning it with the walls in the room. Now measure over 22.5 inches for your rough opening width and mark an X on both ends of the header. This is where the new ceiling joist will be placed. Because we added a double header on both ends, a standard framing nail isn't going to be long enough to penetrate both headers and hold the new stringer. This is where we'll have to add the joist hanger that mounts on the face of the header and will properly secure the new stringer in place. Alright guys, that's all we got for today. Just finished up the attic pull down area. Again, just framed it out so the HVAC guys can get up there this coming next week. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.